Crypto Steve here, and I am going to show you guys how the new features on Karatbit Exchange is doing. It's just phenomenal. You're gonna love the content I'm going to give you in this video. I'm going to show you how the tabs are added to Karatbit Exchange, how they just add so much value, how it makes it so much easier. And so for a lot of you guys that had questions about where your coins at, where they went, are they there, did my order go through, I put in a limit order, a market order, where's it at? I'm going to actually give you some content in this video, and I'm going to show you where, how, and what you can do, and how you will always be able to capitalize on using Karatbit Exchange. It's phenomenal. Mr. Hurl Sites and your team, thank you for doing a great and awesome job at giving us the Karatbit Exchange. So here we go. Let me share my screen. And we're going to go to the exchange. So I'm going to go straight to dashboard. And so I'm in wallet and balances in the dashboard. Now you guys, I already gave you a video of how to take your univals and turn them into USD so you can buy KBC. If you notice that I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, KBC in this exchange as well as US dollars. Let's go to history. So what's new to Karatbit Exchange? Oh, I love it. I love it. I want you to see all of these tabs right here. Deposit, withdrawal, exchange, order, and trade. This is phenomenal. It's all under history in the dashboard. So the first one is deposit. You see, I just deposit some Bitcoin into my account. Right there, you see the time, and it's showing up. I'll show another video another time on how to do that. But let's go to the first thing I done when I actually signed in and registered my Karatbit Exchange platform. I transferred my KBC from another exchange, and you see it's right there, 7,900 on that date. And then I transferred some Bitcoin, and then I transferred some Ethereum, and then I transfer some more Bitcoin, and then I took my univals. I took 1 gram and transferred it, and then I took and bought some KBC. You see that? And then I just traded my Bitcoin. Exchanged my Bitcoin from one exchange to Karatbit Exchange. Reason why we got the best exchange is phenomenal. So let's walk through some tabs. Right here, withdrawal. You'll see withdrawal means when you withdraw any cryptocurrency out of the Karatbit Exchange. Of course, I have none because I'm not going to withdraw out of the Karatbit Exchange. It's not going to happen. And then we have exchange. You see, I exchange univals for US dollars. So whenever you do any kind of exchanging from currencies, it'll show here. Now, when you buy, it's a different story. When you trade, it's a different story. So let's look at this order tab. This order tab is phenomenal. Look at this. It has all of the other tabs under the order tab that say all. Open, pending, partial, complete. I'm going to go through these tabs quickly and just give you a general idea of what's taking place. So the first one is an all tab, but I want to open up all open tabs. Anything I have open. So right here at the bottom, you see this is the pages. 5 transactions is only loaded on 1 page. You see here I got 10 entries of total. And if you want to see the other entries, you can click the arrow button. But on this page is only 5. And so the first one is the KBC coin. I'm selling it. You see that right there means I'm selling the KBC coin for 0.015 US dollars. I'm in this KBC/USD. It's a limit type, and that's my asking price is 0.0150 US dollar for this many KBCs, 3,500. That order is still open. As you guys can see, I placed it on November the 20th, and it's still open. I have another one I placed for 10,000, and the only thing that changed is the price. I want more for this 10,000 KBCs, and it's a limit price, and that's my asking price, 0.017. Now I only did this to show you guys how you can buy, trade, and sell. Remember, I'm talking about buy, trading, and selling. I'm actually glad it didn't go through because I'm not going to sell it. And if it do, I'm going to buy it back. So you see, this is the same process rate, these two, just different prices. That's all. The second one is that here, 67 US dollars I'm trying to buy for the US with USD 0.0134 KBC. I have it at a limit price, and it goes into a bid because of this limit price that I'm trying to buy it for. It goes into who wants to sell their coins for that. So it's like a bidding process. So who want to sell it? So that's why I say bid. It's still open, and I done that on the 23rd. And then I have another one for 105 US dollars, and I'm purchasing KBC for 0.014, and it's a limit order. I placed this earlier, and it's still in the bedroom. I'm waiting for someone to fulfill this order, so it's still open. And you can see I done that today. Let's go to the next one, pending. Pending orders is orders that's still in pending. Now, sometimes they won't show up, and sometimes they will. It doesn't matter. Don't panic. I know a lot of you guys want to know what happened. Your order is still in. It's not going anywhere. I just showed you the history. You can see every transaction. And I'm going to show you. Watch this. So the next one is partial. Partial is when you have, let's say, like you seen, I had 35,000 coins that I wanted to sell. And let's say, because it's in a bedroom, let's say only 2 people want to sell 1,000 coins for that price. So then only 2,000 will be sold, and I still have 33,000 to be sold. So that's a partial order. And then all complete orders, you will see right here, is all in. Let me see. I can't go. Okay. So this is a complete order. I exchanged $38.80 for 2,500 KBC coins, a little over 25 cents, 2,500. And it was a market price, and it was a bid. It was a bid order, and it was completed on the 20th. And then I bought one coin for 0.0131. And there go to one coin. You see it was a limited price, and it was bid orders. See, these tabs will click down and show you these are all completed orders. Now let's look at this 10,000 KBC coins that I sold for 0.0135. It was a limit order I placed. When I say limit, I mean I put the price in how much I want to sell those 10,000 coins for, and that's my asking price. And it got completed. But I want you to look at all of this. These are all partial orders. So somebody sold me somebody sold me some $32 worth. Someone sold me $1.50 worth. Someone sold me, let me click off of here. Someone sold me $13 worth. Someone sold me $67 worth. And see, all these was partial orders. And you see the times. So it didn't all happen at once. So it was a partial order that would have showed up in my partials. So just to let you know, that's how this exchange work, and it's phenomenal. Let's go to all, because all is great. So every order, partials, pending, open, you got it. Completed is right here. You will never have to worry about your coins or your money being gone, missing, or messed up. It show you every transaction. Here I have 0.0145 KBC. I bought this one coin at market price, and it went into a bedroom, and somebody bought it, sold their coin instantly for that price. Here go, I have $105. I showed you guys this earlier, and because it's still open, it's no complete time or nothing on it, so it's not going to have a drop down tab. So you don't have to worry. Your coins are not going nowhere. I promise you, Mr. Sites and his team has millions of dollars. They don't want our little bit of money. Matter of fact, they're trying to help add money to us because they know money need us because they know money need them. So, hey, let me look at the next tab, which is trade. Trade will show you every trade right here. KBCs that I traded on that day. Here go my one KBC. Here go USD that I traded. So I traded either KBC for USD or USD for KBC, if that makes sense. That's what trades is about. So remember, I talked to you about buy, trading, and selling. This is how all exchanges work, even the stock market. So just to let you know, now they have different looks. They have different, some have different terminology, but all mean the same. Just remember, when you're dealing with a exchange platform, you're exchanging dollars, buying, selling, or trading. That's all it is. You're exchanging one value for another. Just remember that. I'm exchanging you guys value for you guys watching this video, for liking and sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channels. So I'm exchanging the value and what I know for you guys to watch the videos. That's all I'm doing. And that's all this exchange is about. I love Karatbit Exchange. And so with that, I don't want to waste any longer. I just want to show you guys that, you know, that's how I work. I do want to go into the market. So one time it had trade here, and I just want you to know you can click on any one of these tabs. So let's click on KBC USD. So this is how that I'm going to teach you guys on how this works. I'm going to teach you how the candlesticks works. I'm going to teach you the downs, the lows, the highs. I'm going to teach you the closeouts, when to buy, when to sell, the bear, the bull market. I'm going to teach you the dojis, the hammers. I'm going to teach all you guys that, and I'm going to teach you in a subtle way, because looking at this and trying to learn this, you when you look at it, to me, when I first started looking at different trading platforms or different tools and signals and all types of candlesticks, it just was confusing to me. So I found the best way to make a complicated issue simple, and I'm going to lead you guys right into be able to buy, trade, and sell on Karatbit Exchange. Real simple, real easy. This is going to be your home page. This is going to be your trading site where you're going to make money and you're going to trade, buy, and sell cryptocurrency as well as KBC, KCB. Hey, so one more thing I want to show you. I want y'all to see I have here limited and market. I went in a video. I made a video already sharing all this information. So I just want to show you guys. I'm going to do one market buy. You see, when I click market, the price already stay in. I put one in, and I just got to click into that one, get in front of that zero, and then the price show up, and then I want to click buy. Instantly it goes into a bid. The bid is here. Who's trying to sell it? See, these three people are trying to sell this many KBC coins for this price. I just wanted to buy one coin for this price. So three people are selling this many. My order went straight through, most likely. Sometimes it'll show up here and sometimes it won't. Here you go, right here. So it's in the bid, it's in the trade history. There you go. It's just traded. So I just added another coin here. So all my coins will show up here as well. And you see that? It say I got two. I had 1.7 at first. But now I have two. Now I have plenty more, but just to show you that. Now let's do another order. Let's do a limit order. A limit order is when I push last, click here. That's the last price KBC was sold for besides my order. Now look at this. Now, of course, it's a limit. So I want to change that. Guess what I want to change that to? I want to change that to 40. And 0.0140. And then I want to buy, I want to see how many coins can I get. Almost got. So let's do 9. Okay, that won't work. 750. Oh man. So 700. Still don't have enough. So let's do this. 600. Okay. $8. I have $9 here. My price that is shown for me to buy. This is total plus fees. You see that, you guys? This is how much it's charging. 2%. That's it. That is cheap. They charged me 1 cent for $8. That's cheap. That's real cheap, you guys. So here, I'm gonna place that order, and I want you to see that I bought 600 coins for 140. And where is it at? Here go my price. And then my order is here. And see that number 4? I'm one of those 4. And this is how many KBCs that want to be bought for this price right here. And there's 4 of us that's trying to buy this many coins for this price. I hope you guys understand that and where we are. See, people right now are not trying to sell their coin under this price. This is a sell order box, and this is a buy order box. And this is a buy KBC box and a sell KBC box. I'll teach you another time what to do on buying. So trade history, you see that? That's the last coin, which was mine. They're not going to sell it less than. That means people are holding on to their KBC. Hey, I hope you got great content out of this video, out of me actually breaking down the Karatbit exchange, the new features. And also, you need to hold your coins because you're going to get paid the most. Let me ask you something. Do you want to get paid a little or a lot? Well, then hold your coins. Hey, this is Crypto Steve. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Steve. Go on Facebook, subscribe to the crypto support team that we have. And also follow me on Instagram, Crypto Steve. And I look forward to continuing giving you guys content, exchanging the value of me understanding and knowing the cryptocurrency industry and the space, as well as the cryptocurrency exchanges, and giving you all the value you need to be successful here in Karatbars. Hey, I love this company. I love the men and women that's in this company, and I love you guys. Thank you for your patience, your time, and I look forward to continue helping you be successful. I'm glad you're watching. Thanks.